Hey guys, my name is Gabriel Polster, and today I am applying for the management consulting agency that you guys have and doing a quick introduction of myself. I don't really want to talk too much about all of my resume and my credentials and things like that, just because you guys already have that. And today I just want to talk a little bit about myself and who I am as a person and why I believe I would be a great candidate for your agency. So I grew up here in Hawaii, my whole entire life, and it's been a great life, and I've loved it. And something that we in Hawaii, growing up here in Hawaii, some values that we have is this value of aloha. And how I define this value of aloha is, respecting others and trying to give them the best experience of Hawaii as they possibly can. A lot of people come here to Hawaii and they just feel this love and this respect and this just something is different here. And that's just because I believe that here in Hawaii we are trying our very best to have people have the greatest experience of their lives here, and think of Hawaii as a great place. And that's something that I believe I can give to this company, is that spirit of aloha, that spirit of giving all that I can give, to the people that I work with and to the people that I give counsel to and the companies that I encounter within this company. Um, and so that's something that I would like to share with people in this company. And something else that I believe, and one of my values that I have that I believe also would help is respecting others, respecting other people's values, and being understanding to their values. A lot of times, we like to take our own values and impose it on others and all these other things, but I like to listen to others. I like to understand them so that I can give them the best counsel that I can give. And that's something that I believe I can, you know, share with this company, is that respect for other people and trying my very best to give the best counsel that I can give. And so that's me. And I'm so grateful for the time that you took out of your day to watch this video and um, to kind of consider me as a candidate. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.